Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are here with our Lego vehicle. Well, the Lego truck. Lego pick me up truck. It is a legit 4-tire thing in the rear. Repossession truck. Literally works like a charm. And it's got some steering that is badass like a motherfucker. This thing is a beast of a truck, but we have some. But it's not just a repo truck slash tow truck. It's got a little plow on it. I know it's not the wintertime, but fuck it. This truck is just like too cool not to just have to buy 20 for goddamn sea of them. It's got like durability stuff, like the wheel is sharply turned. Like, that thing is no stay. That is truck 1 I'm showing you. And truck 2 is an F550. I don't know what year. Don't know what year that truck is. I cannot remember. I never can remember that year. But this truck is a beast of a truck as well. Not too much of a beast, but she is a single rear wheel Ford mirrors, literally Ford mirrors. This is not a hood stack. She has a tip with train horns, legit train horns that like are badass. Some off-roading lights, bumper, that can hold a winch. It's a massive winch too. A 5th wheel hitch. All my trucks have 5th wheel except for one of my trucks. A toolbox, and not much of an interior. Oh, I did not do an interior view on this truck, but yeah, you can tell she's a tow truck slash repo truck. Not much else on the interior. They all actually have like things under the hood, like for an engine type dealio. The trucks, both trucks, all my trucks have a special type of suspension. There's not any moving parts except for backwards and forwards. She's got a trailer hitch as well as the other truck, so and so. They both move. She doesn't have any steering, which I like. Damn, this truck's big. Now, if you want to see a bigger truck, that thing right there is massive. But we're checking out this truck next. This, you guys are all gonna hate me when I say this is Duramax. I got Duramax and 2 power strokes, okay? There. But she is also a dually, but not a legit dually, but she is as wide as a dually truck. And she's got the Dodge tow mirrors. She looks more like a GMC than anything else, but yeah, she's got a scoop, she's got train horns, she's got off-road lights on the bumper. She has suspension. Front suspension, not much, but front suspension. I don't know what the freak this was doing. Rear bumper, tail light with tail light, trailer hitch, tail light, and then this, and then a gooseneck hitch, like a legit gooseneck hitch with a bumper pull hitch. So, yep. And then you can see through the bed because this truck is really, the bed on this truck is not the best. And then this is the dually axle. We've got some steps here, and that is all her. She's a bit of a smaller truck, but built different. Then we have the favorite truck, the Dodge. That is going to get Ford/GMC tow mirrors. She's a freaking beast of a truck with train horns. This has a big bumper. This has a even bigger bumper with a winch thing. Well, you take this off and then you can put a winch here. Put this back on. And it looks like a GMC / looks like one of those GM made for GM mirror, like a front bump off-road bumpers, big tires. It's sitting on a lift kit. It's got suspension in the front, and then it's got the holy grail elastic band suspension. And this is a toolbox, but it's like literally not supposed to be a toolbox. This toolbox I'm opening because there's stuff in there. And then we have off-road light here. Off-road light here. Cab lights. Little emergency lights with thing back here. Fifth wheel with working tailgate exhaust tip. 2 different color rims, which I like. Backup light, brake light, turn signal. Same thing on the other side. You can sit 4. There's 5 seats. It's stick. And that is the biggest. That truck can haul what a 3500 can haul. Now on to this thing. This thing is a good suspension, just stiff ass suspension. We're gonna sit down in this chair for a minute because, well, we can, and we can roll it around. See, 2 headlights, cab lights, tail lights in the back. Not much for an interior on this truck quite yet. A pickup truck bed that has an opening tailgate like that. Actually, a lot of my other, well, this truck has the same mechanism for the tailgate. That truck does not have a tailgate. That truck has a, tailgate. A hitch. No fifth wheel, no gooseneck hitch in the back, because, yeah, why not? That's the motor right there, sticking out. Little overhang there. It's like on all my trucks I have a little overhang, except for that truck, but that truck will just sit there like that. We turn over here. And this is where I should be showing you guys all my trucks, but I'm not showing you guys any of my trucks here. This thing, whoop, tailgate, you can tell, is a pivoting tailgate. Pivoting tailgate. An exhaust tip. Toolbox. Removable cap. Extra, like, police lights and stuff like that in there. Just that for the interior and a bit for the back. And you're fit to not have the cap on the truck. And this is actually how the truck looked for 2.5 months, literally. And then I have built the cap for it. And then it just looks like an SUV, but it's a flat nose pickup truck. No cap. Cap. No cap. Cap. I also want to make a little thing that has to fold up here as well at some point in time, and then the police light thing there, and then this thing. The frig. I don't know what the hell is going on there, but a police antenna, and then big police light bar here, police light bar back here as well. Lights, police lights in the front, more like top like cab lights, tow mirror, like mirrors and shit, like using glasses, mirrors and stuff, and then but tint, no tint in the rear, with an exhaust tip that is nice. I'm using my middle finger for a lot of things, but yep, that's an exhaust tip and shit. That is all of my trucks. Yep. And then the trailers that I can haul with this truck here, and the trailer that I can haul with that truck there, are two different types of trailers. We have the fifth wheel trailer. We have a 3-car Kaufman 3-axle single wheel non-dually trailer. Then we have a 1-car bumper pull, a side-by-side bumper pull, ATV trailer, and then we have another weird ATV trailer. Then we have the actual gooseneck with the thing that comes down lower. Then we have this work SUV. It's an SUV. It's another truck. I just realized I forgot I built this truck as well. And it is not a special type of truck. Nothing too special about it. It has a working tailgate. And wait 1 second. Just had to do something. And then this pulls out just like that. And it's a work truck with suspension and then a bumper that comes down really low in the front. Nothing for interior, literally. It has a stack, even though it's a gas vehicle. A gasser. Like, what? And then this front end with all this wackiness. And then the clearance. This comes back here. Attaches just like so. Tailgate comes up. No bumper hitch. Tail lights. And you got yourself a little working truck. It took way too long, but yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trucks. 7 trucks. More trucks as we go on. So, peace, people. I got a few thousand trucks. Got a few trucks to move back over up there. And yeah, we got repo / plow truck. We got another pickup truck, another dually truck, another truck, and another truck. And then a police truck and a work truck over here. We have actually one. Actually, they're all work trucks all over here except for the gasser over there. This gasser, which this thing is going to be, well, she just sits non-running for now because blown motor, blown rear axle, blown front axle, drive shafts are all fucked up. So peace out, babies. See you guys in another episode.